Okay, so you guys have been solving equations that have variables on one side. So what we got to do is we got to solve variables on both sides. So, give you an example. 3z plus 2 equals 4z minus 6. Okay, I want you to keep doing the same thing that we've been doing. We need to draw a line, okay? Draw a line separating our sides. Now, you're going to see this done in many different ways, okay? But basically, it all means the same thing. Get your variables to one side, get your numbers to the other. What I mean by numbers, I mean the things that don't have variables with them at all. So for like example up here, we got 2 and we have a negative 6. Those don't have any variables with them, therefore they would be the numbers that I'm talking about. Now we have a 3z and a 4z, so we got to move those. We have to either take it all to the left or take it all to the right. Now the way I always do this, it's simplest I think. What you should do is you should take this 4z, you should always take your variables that are on the right hand side and take them to the left. So I have a 4z on the right hand side. I want to take that over to where I see another z. I want to look to the front of this and see what it has in front. It's positive. So since it's positive, we're going to do our opposite operation, which is to subtract. Well, I need to do that to the other side. So I want to take it over and I see another z, so I can put it right up underneath there. We're going to draw our equal sign like we always do, and then we're going to do our math. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Don't put z in a calculator. Gosh, don't do that. Z is not going to go in a calculator. You can put your numbers in there though. You can do 3 minus 4 and that gives you negative 1. You're going to bring everything else down. We have a plus 2. We have an equal sign. If you recall, this is going to go away and I have a negative 6 that I can bring down. Now we've got a two-step equation. And all we're going to do now is take our 2 and move it over to our 6. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. Draw our equal sign. Bring down our negative 1z. Cross out our 2's. Bring down our equal sign. Bring down negative 8. I get negative 8 by doing negative 6 minus 2. I can do that in a calculator. Finally, one step, we divide. Since it's being multiplied, we have to divide. So we cross out our negative 1's. We create z equals 8. Now at any point in time, we can take that z and plug it back into the top and check and see if both sides of the equation are balanced. And if they are, then we'll be just fine.